Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on look number 2 using the Wet n Wild SpongeBob Nautical Nonsense palette. I love the color story to this palette. I love SpongeBob. This is so much fun. Such a fun palette, and this is actually look number 1 that I filmed, but I chose to upload the first look with the Scotty Baker case. That was actually the second look. That was kind of confusing. Anyways, I held off on this look, but isn't it stunning? Absolutely stunning. And I believe this is one of the first times I ever played with any of these like diamond formula eyeshadows is what I think they're called. Absolutely stunning. So I used the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer and the loose powder to catch fallout, because there's definitely going to be some. And I'm using that beautiful blue, dark navy blue in the palette. I'm picking that up on like a crease brush, and I'm holding this brush in the middle of the brush so I can have total control and use a heavy hand with this shadow. I really want to build this up a lot. It almost applies like a beautiful deep purple shade on the actual eye, but it is blue, and I'm just going to press that into the outer corner and bring it in the crease as we go, just like that. And we'll leave it like that for now, and then we're going to take the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas and carve out our crease area. You're going to see me apply that product. It's just like a concealer basically. Stamp my eyelid up so I can see where my crease line should be. I also drag it up just a hair above where the crease line is. Blend it out with a brush, blend it out with my finger to pick up any kind of excess product so the product doesn't crease. And I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and right on top of that, it's fine, it didn't crease, anything like that. It lasted all day long. So I'm going to apply that exactly where I applied the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas, and tap that on there as well, blend it in. And we're going to be picking up this beautiful, stunning blue silver eyeshadow. This is the most beautiful formula of an eyeshadow ever, and I've never been like the biggest fan of shimmers, but wow, I need more. What drugstore brand has this formula? I need to know, because it's stunning. I just cannot get over it. I love this look. I'm obsessed with this look. It just came out so beautiful, and the eyeshadows apply so nicely and they blend nicely. The next shadow I'm taking is the shimmery blue next to the icy blue, and it is more like a regular shimmery shade, and I'm applying that on the rest of the lid, and I'm going to blend those two together, blend it into the outer corner as well. Blend, 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 blend. Build up all my shades. Such a stunning shade. I'm going to start building up the outer corner again and pressing that in. And by pressing the product onto the lid like that, there's not a ton of fallout. So I had to pick up the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette and pick up that beautiful baby blue shade there. I really wanted a fade in the crease area. I did not want to go from this very dark blue to the brow bone highlight this day, so I did not. And I picked this baby blue up, which you can find in a lot of different palettes, but I just knew this one would work for this look, and I put that around the edges of the outer corner and crease shade, and I'm going to blend them together. They blend so beautifully together. I love this fade in the crease area up to the brow bone. It just looks so highlighted and illuminated. In my opinion, it just looks really awesome. It works. So the dark blue is going on the lower lash line, and the baby blue is going to cap around those edges to blend it in. And I'm using the AOA Studio pressed powder for the brow highlight, so I'm just applying that there. I use this powder because it acts like a magic eraser. If anything goes too high, shadow wise and stuff, you can blend that down right away, and it always blends very nicely with everything. So I am using the highlight shade from that Wet n Wild palette, and that noise you heard is Connor moving around in a chair. And he's one of those fold out chairs. It's noisy when you move around. And this is the Milani Stay Put eyeliner, so I'm tightening with that, and I'm taking the LA Studio ButterCream. These are the neon ones, and I'm taking that blue in my waterline, and this is $1, friends. Look at this. Look at that. These are eyeliners and eyeshadows. Yes. So I'm using the Ioni lashes and the Duo Lash Adhesive, and I even painted my nails messily blue to match this makeup look. I still am in shock from looking at this makeup tutorial. It is so beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. And honestly, I feel like it didn't even take that long to put together. The video is sped up 2 times, and it's 7 minutes long. I would say this look altogether, well, typically it does take me about 2 hours to prepare to film. But if I was not filming and just doing this on a regular day, I would say 30-40 minutes tops. Full face though. And top that with a gloss, a little mascara with the lashes, and we're done. Look at this beautiful look. Absolutely stunning. I love it. I just cannot get over it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Stay tuned for more looks using this eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for a product list as well as other links. Check the cards. And thank you so much for watching.